guys, Carmen here, Little Carmen, back for another episode of Carmen Does. So before we get started, don't forget to like, share, don't forget to leave me a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ding that bell so you'll be notified every time I'm online. So wanted to, I am getting all my hair up in my face. So wanted to today actually go over how we actually do like the different text options, how you can improve upon the captions, as well as the when you're doing sounds, how to pick the right sound, how to adjust it to where you're wanting it to play the right part, etc. So stick around and let's get to it. So with sounds and effects, you're going to go ahead and click the plus sign at the bottom. Then when we come up here, you can go ahead, you record a video, you can add a sound ahead of time. Now keep in mind, if you add that sound ahead of time, you won't be able to hear yourself or anything. So if you want to add the sound and then still be able to hear you, you do it like this. You add the sound after you've
That's exactly how I feel.
Now I turn the volume all the way down on me
That's
because I don't want to hear
exactly how I
my background sound. And then I picked a song which quite normally will play over and over and over and drive me out of my mind, but you can also choose effects at the bottom and play around with the effects. If you hold it down, it'll play however long that you hold down for that effect, or if you just tap it once, it'll just like quickly do whatever you were trying to get it to be the effect. Then I discarded that because I didn't want any of those effects. Then you can choose that you want to add text to it. So the word hey, where I hit text at the bottom, type the word hey. You can change the different fonts, change the color, as you see right there. Over there where that A is on the side, you hit that, and it changes the way that you actually want the word to show up. And so I like it like that. Then when you click on it, you can hit edit. You'll be able to edit the words. You can click on it and hit set duration, and it can't go under 1 second, so I can change it down to 1 second. Then you can also have it talk speech. Hey.
That's exactly how I feel.
As well.
Hey. That's exactly how I feel. Hey.
Other than that, we're gonna look here at the top. You see where it says. Oh yeah, we turned all that up. Now at the top up here, you see where it says filters. You can choose those, you can change those, and when you're actually on the page before, you can actually just swipe to the left or right and change the different filters. Captions, you can adjust the clips, which we don't have but one. Then when we go to captions, there is no captions currently, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to record some words and show you. So as I record the words and I go back into the captions, the main reason I want to show you guys the captions that you can actually edit them, because I hate when people add captions on there but they don't modify what it says, so you're unintelligible, and then I'm going to sit here and it's basically picking up the same words that I said or what I heard, and it still don't make no sense. It's best to go in and edit your captions. Take the time and actually do it. Other than that, we have the different sounds that can make your voice say. Then we have the voiceover, and it'll also, if it goes to chipmunk, it's going to make me sound like a chipmunk here as well. So those are some of the effects and sounds that you can add to it, the actual video. And then these right here are annoying little things that you can add on there, little emoji things. So I don't really use much on them, but I was trying to type the word party, but I could not get the letter P to come up for me. It was driving me out of my mind. But when it finally did, I put party, woohoo, yeah, and you can let everybody know when the next live is, or you can add a little something, you know, whatever you need.
This is crazy. What it do?
And that right slider, you then hit drafts, or you can go ahead and post it. I hope that makes a little bit more sense, and come back for another episode. Next episode we're going to be talking about lives, so come back.